day, I am Wong. This video presents a reflection on the Putra Heights gas pipeline explosion in 2025 and how similar accidents can be prevented. The analysis used the 5 why technique to identify the root cause and key safety reasons. The incident occurred on 1st April 2025 in Selangor. A gas pipeline leak triggered a massive explosion followed by a fire. More than 100 people were injured and over 200 houses were damaged. Facing a large-scale evacuation, residents were evacuated due to safety risks. The accident followed a typical sequence. Pipeline failure caused gas release, forming a flammable cloud that ignites, resulting in a powerful explosion and sustained fire. In the 5 why technique, we identified the root cause. The explosion occurred due to ignite gas, which was released because of a pipeline leak. The leak resulted from a structural failure, which went undetected due to poor monitoring system. Ultimately, the root cause lies in a weak safety management and inadequate risk control. Summary causes from 5 why analysis. Immediate underlying and root cause of the incident. Summarizing the cause of the Putra Heights gas pipeline explosion help clarify how different layers of failure interacted to produce a catastrophic outcome. At the most visible level are the immediate causes, which describe the final event that directly triggered the explosion. In this case, the immediate causes were the release of pressurized natural gas and its subsequent ignition. Without ignition, the gas release alone would not have produced an explosion of this magnitude. Beneath the immediate cause lie the underlying cause, which explain why the gas release occurred in the first place. Investigation identified pipeline rupture as the underlying failure, driven by factors such as soil instability, long-term subsidence, and cycling mechanical stress. Over time, this environmental and mechanical influence weakened the pipeline structure integrity, making it vulnerable to failure. At the deepest level of the root cause, which are primarily organizational and systemic in nature, these include weak safety management, inadequate monitoring and inspection strategy, insufficient integration of geotechnical risk into pipeline management, and gas in regulatory enforcement. Several contributing factors play a role. Technical issues include pipeline fatigue and stress. Human factors involve gap in inspection and awareness, while organizational failure include poor safety management and insufficient monitoring system. The incident highlights the importance of proactive safety measures. Key improvements include advanced monitoring system, regular geotechnical risk assessment, stronger safety management practice, and stricter regulatory enforcement. Continuous monitoring with real-time leak detection and sensor prevent failure before escalation. Regular geotechnical risk assessment address soil and groundwater change impact pipeline safety. Prevention strategies directly address causes identified to break the accident chain at multiple points. Safety as a strategic priority requires trained personnel, clear procedure, and empowerment to act. Industrial safety depends on technology, people, and organizational decision-making working together effectively. Effective safety implementation relies on clear accountability, audit, and interagency coordination. In conclusion, the Putra Heights explosion was caused by multiple interconnected failures rather than a single issue. This case emphasizes the need for a holistic approach to safety, Personally, this study showed that prevention and early detection are critical in avoiding major industrial accidents. Thank you for your attention. I welcome your feedback and further discussion on this topic.